Joe, it's great to have you with us this morning. I want to start pretty broad because I think that a lot of our audience looks at Ethereum as a store of value, something that goes up or down. What do they need to know about its use case and about blockchain technology?
Something that goes up and down in a volatile fashion isn't necessarily a great store of value unless you have noticed that it's been going up for many years. And that's the case for most of the tokens in the blockchain ecosystem. Essentially, this is a paradigm shift. We're moving from the age of silos to the age of community, and we're building a new trust foundation for the planet. And that new trust foundation has enabled decentralized finance, a global decentralized finance platform that is enabling a very wide variety of applications to be built. Some of those applications that are essentially enabling businesses to be disintermediated take the form of non-fungible tokens, which in the early instantiations are enabling creators and content owners to directly access their customers.
Right. So, Joe, disintermediation, decentralization, this is sort of the ethos behind Ethereum. But take the NFT market, for example, and many say that it's becoming increasingly centralized. You have a few big players, OpenSea as a platform, Yuga Labs for IP, Andreessen Horowitz as an investor. How do you reconcile that centralization with the fundamentals?
So it's a bit of a gold rush, and people take expedient steps to establish market share, whether you're a VC or whether you're an NFT platform. The direction of travel in our ecosystem and in our company consensus is towards progressive decentralization. So we find product market fit, and then we work diligently to decentralize. We're seeing that across the ecosystem where lots of DeFi protocols are decentralizing. Many projects are exiting to community, establishing decentralized organizations to govern themselves in. And we will see a powerful movement towards decentralization in the NFT space.
Even so, Joseph, right at this moment, as you say, it's sort of a land grab and we're seeing the big get even bigger. So walk us through how decentralization happens from here, how we're going to see sort of these existing players like OpenSea disrupted by the community.
Sure. So we operate some important projects. MetaMask is one, Infura is another. It handles a ton of the reads and writes in the Ethereum and related ecosystems. And across consensus, many of our projects are working towards progressively decentralizing themselves. So that involves turning projects that are essentially platforms into decentralized platforms. That can involve turning them into protocol, where lots of different actors can work together on that protocol collaboratively, or it can involve creating decentralized organizations for the governance of those projects.